Okay, children, good morning to all. Today in your Hindi class, this is your lesson. Today we have to discuss about the lesson moral stories. True friends give sound advice and we will do well to listen to them. The story importance these words of wisdom in way that one will remember them for times to come. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey that belonged to a washerman. He became friends with the jackal. The jackal was older in age than donkey, so the jackal called the donkey Chacha. That means uh, uncle. Tune the donkey called the jackal Padija. Padija means nephew. During one of their nighttime outing, they found that themselves in a cucumber farm. They eat fresh cucumber with them. Released for the next couple of weeks, the donkey and jackal went to the farm every night to eat the cucumber. The donkey said, "Oh, so delicious! I cannot stop eating them," said the donkey. The jackal said, "Oh yes, very delicious food. Look in the sky." The donkey said, "Look in the sky with a dazzling full moon," replied the donkey. "It is so beautiful that I can feel like singing." The jackal said, "Please, uncle, don't do this. The gods, yes, you will be in big trouble. Let us just stay quiet and enjoy these cucumbers," said the jackal. The donkey, "the so beautiful that I cannot stop myself," said the donkey, and cleared his throat to sing. "Don't be silly, uncle. You know your voice is not melodious. Your singing will only make a gods angry and want to the jackal." "What do you know about music and melody? You do not even know how to appreciate the beauty of music," replied the donkey. "It's a hard voice. Now, uncle, please stop it and be sensible. Your singing will get us in big trouble." "I know. I sing very well. Sit down and listen to me, my dear Badija." Jackal, "and then you will know that I speak the truth," replied the donkey. Seeing that the donkey was not going to take his advice, the jackal decided to take himself. "Uncle," he said, "you wait for a while. I will go out and keep watch for the gods. Only I have gone. You can sing to your heart's content. I will warn you, if the gods comes, the jackal then run away from the farm before the donkey would begin his loud harsh singing." The god was already keeping a lookout for the animal that had been stealing the cucumbers. As soon as he heard the donkey singing, he ran towards him and beat him until he fell unconscious. Once upon a time, the donkey recovered and dragged himself out of the farm to where the jackal was waiting for him. "So, uncle, you didn't hear my warning to I see you have a reward. Congratulations," said the fox, laughing. "Please leave to me, grieve over my stupidly groaned the donkey in a grumpy voice. When the washer said the donkey. When the washerman found the donkey, he was very angry. What am I to do with a wounded donkey? He said and hurried away. It was foolish of me to have ignored advice from good friend. Now I am suffering dearly for my mistake, said the donkey. So, dear students, these lessons are today discuss about it. Okay, understand?